You're exposed to noise every day, so what types of noise should be monitored under the hearing conservation standard? Exposure to loud or constant noise increases the possibility of hearing loss. Think about a typical day in a warehouse. Forklifts are moving products, the motors are constantly running and beeping, and other equipment is continuously on. OSHA states that all sound levels from 80 decibels to 130 decibels shall be integrated into noise measurements. Any time-weighted noise exposure equivalent to 85 decibels per working day will require hearing protection and a hearing conservation program. To give a frame of reference, being on a busy street or using a blender produces a sound level of about 85 decibels. A forklift consistently operates at 100 decibels, well above the threshold that can cause harm to your inner ear. Now imagine machinery, drilling, and heavy equipment that are often much louder than a forklift. The higher the volume, the greater risk of damage leading to hearing loss. You don't want to be sitting in a restaurant unable to understand the conversation because you work near a forklift or other equipment. However, it's not just the noise level that can cause hearing loss. The type of noise also contributes to the risk. There are 3 types of noise, each based on timing or duration of exposure. Continuous noise consists of loud sounds that remain constant or consistent over several hours. This type of noise includes equipment, vehicles, or machinery running for long periods of time. This noise exposure is the most common and poses a significant threat to your hearing. Think about your daily work. You may have conveyor belts, tools, and vehicles constantly running in your area. Picture a construction site. Dump trucks, excavators, and other heavy equipment are constantly on the move. How far above the 85 decibel threshold do they range? The answer is nearly double by volume. Even a hammer pounding a nail is in the range to cause significant hearing damage. Understanding these risks will allow you to make better decisions to preserve your hearing. Intermittent noise consists of short, loud burst sounds like a nail gun or drill. These are usually sporadic or inconsistent noise sources. While the sound doesn't continue for hours, it can still pose a risk, especially at loud levels. While most incident cases deal with hearing loss due to continuous noise exposure, there should still be monitoring of noise levels exceeding the threshold. Use of a nail gun might only happen now and then, but often the noise occurs very close to the ear, and the shot occurs hundreds of times an hour. Impulsive noise results from a sudden sharp sound. These are short, intense bursts of sound like a siren, riveting, blasting, or even a dog barking. It's quick and it sends a higher frequency to your inner ear, which can cause immediate severe hearing loss. Understanding the type of noise exposure and its risk will help you make good decisions about protecting your hearing.